Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of May. And first of all, national news. The way people treat children leaves a lasting impact on their minds. CJI said. Cipla Glenmark recall asthma drugs made in Indore from US market. Gujarat goes to polls on May 7. Navy performed a miracle, Rajnath Singh, on operations in foreign waters. Pakistan occupied Kashmir is very much a part of India, S. Jaishankar. Border forces found two China drones during search operations in Punjab. Secularism doesn't mean you deny your own religion, S. Jaishankar. Now, international news. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak promised to work as hard as ever after disastrous local elections. Israel cabinet votes to shut down Al Jazeera over national security threats. Russia said forces seized village of Ocheritin in eastern Ukraine. Hamas held talks with Egypt, Qatar as hope grew for Gaza truce deal. Now some sports news. Massive setback for Chennai Super Kings. Star fast bowler Mathisha Pathirana left India after serious injury. RCB with 4 wins in 11 matches are still in the fray for IPL 2024 playoffs qualification. Lucknow Super Giants hosted KKR in the 54th match of the Indian Premier League 2024. Business related news. Exports from key labor intensive sectors declined 12% compared to pre pandemic levels. Air India reduced cabin baggage allowance to 15 kg for lowest fare segment. Cipla recall drugs produced in Indore plant from US market, US FDA. Paytm COO Bhavesh Gupta quit company, rejects senior management. Science related news. Healthy lifestyle choices slash genetic risk of early death by 62%, a study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.